Hello everyone, Ricky and welcome to ItsRickysZone, a channel which I am trying to get back into making content for. I've been kind of prioritising my gaming channel, which is this is actually the sister channel too, and you can actually see the gaming channel logo on your screen right here. This is the logo for my gaming channel, and yes, it's very BBC-ish because reasons. But here we go. This is what my logo looks like, and you can probably tell if you see my gaming channel, you might see there's some sort of issue with it. It was a little bit discoloured. And it's not because that is how it's intended. This is the thumbnail right here for the logo, and I don't even actually see the difference right here. This is how it looks blown up. Alright, this is how it looks blown up. This is how it looks in the thumbnail. Why is that? There's a sort of like yellow tinting or something going on, and it kind of reminds me of the setting on Windows 10, the night mode setting. It dims a lot of the blue light stuff, so anything that's white or blue becomes sort of like a yellowish colour. This is sort of what's going on right here. And to demonstrate it further, this issue right here, I'm going to minimise this, and I'm also going to show this desktop background through a photo viewer. Now you're probably thinking, oh Ricky, it's something to do with the photo viewer, it's probably buggy or something because, you know, whatever. And no, that's not it. Yes, Windows software's been a little bit, Microsoft software has been a little bit sort of screwy as of late because reasons. But no, it's nothing to do with the photo viewer. It's actually fine for what it does. I've tested this on another photo viewer that I've got installed. It does the same thing. What this problem is actually to do with the color profile, which is ran through the display driver for this monitor. I have a BenQ monitor. It's a G something. I will find in just a second what it is. And I know for a fact that it's the monitor that's the problem, because if I move this out of the way, you can't really see what I'm doing right here, but if I move the window into my next screen, I've got a generic Samsung TV monitor. It's a Samsung generic TV that's being used as a monitor, that is. It looks fine. No tinting, no sort of weird colour effects going on with it. It's fine. I found this fix a while ago, and I've been wanting to make this video for a while to show people how to fix this, because I was on a forum when I found this fix out, and there was a ton of people who were just, oh my god, this is awesome, thank you for this. So I'm hoping that if this can help me, this can help you as well. What you want to do is you want to go into color management. It's already up on my screen right here, so here we go. Color management, and we're already onto the display. It might default to, here's my stuff right here. So you've got display 1, generic PNP monitor, that's my TV, and then I've got my BenQ GW2760, which I didn't realise I keep forgetting the model number of my monitor. I've had this for a long time actually, but I've figured out what the problem is right here, and it's this. So I've just fixed the problem right here. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. So if I click use my settings for this device, watch what happens here. Do it again, and then for this looks so much better like this. How I did this, you can see on your screen right here. If I set this to use my custom settings for this device, hit add, and then sRGB IEC 61966, that is the profile you want to use for this, at least what I want to use. It seems to make this thing work. I can also switch back to my old display settings if I like. Doesn't really break anything. But there you go. That's how you essentially fix this graphics problem. And as I say, if I've had this problem, and if turns out there are people in this forum that had this problem, there's probably more than enough people have this problem as well. But there we go. That's how you fix this display. It's a minor display issue. It's not really a bug or anything. It's probably just a settings problem or driver's problem. But there you go, that's an easy fix for how to fix the yellow tinting issue for viewing photos. Hope this helps anyone, and if it does, please remember to like this video, show support, comment down below, and maybe ask other help topics and stuff, because I might start doing some tutorial stuff on this channel as well. But, you know, help get this video through, share it to friends and family who might have this issue, might want to get some help on this sort of thing. Let me know if you thought that was helpful. Engagement on this video will really help it go in the algorithm, so that will help more people who need this video to actually be able to see it. But there you go, that is essentially how you fix this problem. Hope you found this helpful in any way, shape and form. There we go, my big ass logo. But there you go, friends. That's essentially that for today's video. Hope you found this helpful, as I say. Till next time, stay safe, take care. I'll leave a link to my gaming channel at the end screen and down below if you want to take a look at that. Also subscribe to this one. I'd love to see you, but for more content and stuff. Until next time, bye now.